Morning friends, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the G4 Doorbell Pro into a door frame. So with your template, mark it out, drill your initial corner holes, either use a Dremel, die grinder, or angle grinder to cut out your mounting area. From there, touch that up, make sure there's no sharp edges, drill out your holes, and install the back plate, and voila, there you go. Pretty slick and easy to install, and then you just run a single Cat 6 POE cable to it. So here we are at the rack. This is testing the doorbell because I wanted to make sure it worked with two chimes. So because of this business has a pretty large warehouse, it'd be nice to have it ring in the front and also the back. So thankfully the G4 Doorbell Pro does in fact support multiple chimes. So we put one up in the front office, one in the warehouse, and the client was happy. Now let's hear these things ring. And there you go. So for this application, this is perfect because this business has a pretty large warehouse and that's separated from the front of house, and it'd be really convenient to be able to hear it ring in two locations depending on where you are.